Everyone is growing their hair right now because you don't have any other option. Shops are finally opening, but it's been 2 months since most of the people got any haircut. If you are like, hey, let's just grow my hair out right now, then you are at the right place. I will tell you exactly how you can make your hair look more better and even make them more healthy. Hey guys, my name is Apura Agrawal. Hope you all having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to it. So longer hair, everyone is struggling with their hair right now, and in my opinion, this is the area where you should grow your hairs out. Last few years, undercut has been the most popular haircut. Trimming your sides, going for different fades, but right now is the time for change. Longer hair will completely change your look. Many actors, athletes are also trending it with it. So if you have finally made the decision of growing your hair out, then the first thing you need to do is to know exactly what you want. Look man, before anything else, you need to know what is the end product. Is it a top knot? Is it a man bun? Is it some kind of Leo hairstyle? What is it? Because at the end, if you don't know, you will just get irritated and go back to your older hairstyle as soon as the shop will reopen. For me, I'll grow my sides out and let this grow for 2 inches more. I had an undercut for a while now and it's time for a change. You must be thinking why my hairstyle is looking so messed up right now, and I will talk about it in the next point. So like I said, having a goal in your mind will be the first step. It will also tell you for how long you are growing your hair out. Because if you fully want a man bun, then it will take you at least 6 to 7 months to achieve that. Now the second thing to keep in mind will be trimming your hair. I mean, for majority of the people, it takes around ½ inch per month to grow. So there's no point for going for a trim in every other week. Give it at least 5 to 6 weeks. Now why trimming is important? Number one, the obvious one, because to remove the baby hairs which you get. For example, these forehead ones, around the ear, in neck, all these are removed with it. Number two, it also makes your hair look more healthy. If you want to know more about it, then check out this video. Or this one, it will be here or there. I haven't gotten a trim for more than 2 months. That's why it looks all messed up, but it will get surely better. Now for the third point, let's talk about the awkward stage. First thing first, what is awkward stage? This right here is what is known as awkward stage. You go for short to medium length hairs. There will come a point when your hairs are not too short and neither they are too long, and they will stand like a mushroom in some areas, and this will go around for 2 to 3 weeks. This is going right now for me. How do you deal with it? And the answer is you just cannot. And right now when you don't have to go out, there's no point in worrying about it, man. I mean, surely there are things which you can do to help it. For example, pack on some accessories, wear a hat or a headband. You can do anything with it. Just make it through from that awkward stage, and believe it, the results will be worth it. I will repeat it again. Maintenance cut is really important. Otherwise your hair will also look like mine, so messed up. Now if you were too lazy to check out the video which I said earlier, I will give you few tips super quick. Number one being related to shampoo. Shampooing depends upon your hair, but don't do it quite often. Once or twice per week is enough. Same goes for conditioning. Once or twice per week is more than enough. Now the third thing is, oiling your hairs important? Yes it is. You should oil your hairs every other day if you want healthy hair. Big question, is it worth it to have longer hair? Yes, of course it is. Just know that styling longer hairs is more difficult when it compared to shorter hair. Man, everybody needs a change. For how long you will go with the same hairstyle. Also the major thing, blow drying your hair is not harmful if you do it the right way. And also don't ruin your hair by buying cheap products. If you want to know more about this topic, don't forget to check out my other videos related to it. I'll put them in the description box below. That's it guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?